GoWISE is another such brand that has implemented a digital interface to create a more user-friendly air fryer. The GoWISE 4th generation electric air fryer features 7 presets to easily cook chicken, steaks, fish, meat, shrimp, chips, and cake. It also allows you to manually adjust the temperature and time if required. When cooking is complete, a beep will sound off and the unit will switch to standby mode. Your food sits in a detachable, non-stick Teflon-coated cooking basket, which itself sits in a drawer. The smart design means that when you pull out the drawer, you can then detach the basket via a button guard, which prevents the drawer from dropping off. The parts that you need to clean, the cooking basket and the drawer, are all dishwasher safe to make the job super easy. A cloth with a warm water should be able to get the job done. It must be noted that the timer is only for 30 minutes, which is enough in many cases, but it would have been better for it to go up to the standard hour mark seen in other models. The presets make the job all too easy, and the included 14-page recipe book is a great thing for beginners. However, the lack of accessories such as pans or racks makes certain foods tricky to cook, and the grated basket, while great for draining oil, can be a bit of a pain when marinating or using liquid ingredients. The good news is that it does come in a 13.7 quart or 5.8 quart variety, so you can pick which one suits you. Overall, it's flashy and sleek and will look great in a modern kitchen. Top it off with a good price and 1-year warranty, and the GoWISE electric air fryer comes with our recommendation.